Hi crafty friends, Lace here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Kathy. Look how cute her little envelope is. She stamped it, she's got a little witch on it, and her card is so cute. Look at that. She was just thanking me for, hosting another fun swap. She said Halloween is one of her favorites. All swaps are the same. Slight changes in embellishments, but that's how it goes. And she's included her shipping. I appreciate that, Kathy. And this card is so cute. So this is her package. She said she packaged up very well because of the mail lately. So she's got these, oops. Oh, it's on there with foam tape. She's got this little candy corn shaped milk chocolate. The Russell Stouffer's. Isn't that cute? I don't know if I've ever seen this before or had these. Well, I mean, I've had Russell Stouffer's basically, but I don't think I've ever seen their little like Halloween mixes. They're so cute. So cute. Oh, it's just tissue. So let me open this real quick. All right, everything was very well packaged. She did not want anything to get damaged. She had bubble wrap. It was taped up very well, wrapped very well. So we're gonna get into it. She's got, is this a card? I don't know what this is, or is this just a shaker? Just one of her shakers, I think, but it almost looks like a card. The way she's got her, even her backing piece is so cute. She's got stamped, she's got a couple little flowers, and then she's got this little like Day of the Dead skull on the inside. She's got some eyelash trim, little bats, little ghosty. So cute. And then there's this one. It's a little spooky bag topper. Very cute. Oh, I like her little half-back pearls that she's used too. And then she's got a little coffin with a little scully on the inside. We have some bones. She's got some fun trim hanging off the top. Very cute. Then in this bag, oh, look at her little tag. It says, "Be wicked." That is so cute. I love that. I love that. Oh, there we go. What's in here? Let's see. Oh, she's got a sticky notepad in here. She is chunky. This one's gorgeous. So it's nice and like traditional color. She's got some gingham here. I like this little sticker piece. I think this is the one of the ones from Park Lane's Halloween collection this year. She's got a little jack-o'-lantern on there and a little organza tie. I just look how, I know it's just like standard orange, but I like a good neon color, so that is cute. She's even done the inside layer. Very cute. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm so excited about her embellishment box. Look at this. So she's taken, I'm guessing like a piece of chipboard, cardboard, but she's covered it in this like Halloween fabric, and she's put like backing on it so it's nice and soft. She's got like this double layer lace trim around it. She's got a cauldron with some bubbles. She's got a bat. I love this kitty. She's got spells over here. This is so cute. She's used a pink box. That is cute. Again, I see something new every single swap, I swear. So here's the inside of her box. This paper is really cute. I really like that. So in here, oh, this is so cute. She's even, look at, she's even put paper in the bottom of her, each one of her little cubbies. Isn't that cute? So we have a little stamp, it's a little skull stamp. She's even included a little stamp pad. Is this purple? I think it's purple. It's purple. So cute. And then we have some mini rosettes. I love making mini rosettes. Those are ready to go and be embellished. And then in this one, we have, oh, yes. She shared some of those halfback pearls that she's used because these are gorgeous. I like the oil slick looking one. She's got like a purple, but it's got like an iridescent shine to it. So cute. I have some little jack-o'-lantern clothespins in this one. It's perfect for securing little treat bags. We have some beads in this one. Oh, look at these little ready to go little dangles. So this one says boo, this one says scary. She doesn't wire wrap all of them, which is fine, but look at, she's done this one. Ooh, I love that neon green, you know me. Ooh, look at this one. This one's cool looking. It's very neat. Well, I don't know if I've seen this one yet either. So it's like one of those like striped pumpkin type of beads, but it's like silver and clear. Very cool. So pretty. A little ghosty wood bead. Little candy corn wood bead. These are really cute. And ready to go. And then over here we have some skelly beads in this one, and then we have trim. So we have a little ghosty trim in this, and then this one is pumpkin. Seen these before. So cute. I don't wanna. These never go back in the same. Ever, ever, ever. And then in here we have a sequin mix, but it's very pink and purple and orange and black. Very cute. So it's got a base of that Michael's one, the little clay bit mix that we've all been dying over. And she's got some little jemmies. She's got some little hex sequins in there. So cute. Oh, she's got some of the little orange triangle ones too. Oh, let's see. We've all been influenced, haven't we? We have some pom-poms over here, but I don't have some of these colors. Like, I don't know if I have this fuchsia color. I love the purples. I don't have a lot of purple stuff in my stash, so I'm really slowly trying to use purple more and more. It's just not a color I normally gravitate towards, but I am doing a Pastelloween swap, and I just got the new Frank Garcia collection in, and it's got purple in it, so I'm trying to incorporate purple. We have a couple flatbacks and some of these little clay bit charms. They're kind of like clay charms. I'm not quite sure what they are, but they're really cute. I've seen them before. Oh, we have some little spiders in here as well. Oh, look at that one. I like that little flatback. Oh, there's two of them. That'll be fun to use. This little black ghosty and some spiders. And this one, we have another little sequin mix. That one's fun, and she's got a little spider on the top. A little trim around it. And then, oh, another trim. This one's cute. I didn't get this one this year. I'm guessing this is from Michael's because it looks like the Michael's ghost this year. But that is really cute. Now I'm gonna have to maybe go get a whole spool of it because I don't think I think the only Halloween trim that I bought this year was like the laser cut jack-o'-lantern from Michael's, and there was like an orange pom-pom one. I think that's the only trim I've bought this year. I have a really hard time using up trim. I apparently make more, not like tassels or something. And then we have a whole bunch of die cuts in here, and all different colors. So we have pinks, we have purples, which will be perfect. I can get some use out of these right now, especially the pinks too. We have black bats, some orange jack-o'-lanterns. We have white ghosties as well. So many things that I can actually use like right now. So I really appreciate that. You must have been reading my mind, Kathy. So thank you so much for joining another one of my swaps. This is a great embellishment box, such a good mix of just a little bit of everything, and make sure you give her, oh, she doesn't have social media. I know that she watches it. She does have an email. So I'll link whatever I can down below. I know that she's got email, and she does watch YouTube. She just doesn't have Instagram, I don't think. But whatever I can, I will link down below, and make sure you just give her some crafty love in the comments. I'm sure she's going to read them, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.